how your loopholes can be closed if others has the loopholes. We spoke about this in a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please follow the link in the description. Selling is wrong. Dear sellers, yes, selling is wrong. Please don't try to sell. Please make them to buy. People love to buy things, but they hate when someone tries to sell it. Example, they need insurance. If you try to sell it, they may not buy from you. They become defensive. They came to buy an Android in a store in a mall. If you try to sell Apple, they will not buy. How to make them to buy? You need not to make them to buy. They're already in a buying mindset. You just need to create an buying mindset for non-buyers. At least 10 out of 100 comes front to buy it. Those who are already in buying mindset and you want to push your Apple, you need to make them to fail buying Android. So 50% of their Android buying tendency automatically shifts to Apple. Don't push the Apple, just destroy the Android need. Also, don't missell. Lot of e-commerce websites are not trying to sell. Observe, all those websites or apps are making them to buy. They are not even meeting people. They are not even convincing. They are not even forcing. That means they are not trying to sell. They are making them to buy. When a non-human platform can make this, why the human cannot make them to buy? Selling is wrong, make them to buy. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on There is an employee even without salary. No, it's not about AI.